Well, guys, we're in the kitchen again with my brother Rock. Check out his jerk pork recipe.
The great purple Scotch bonnet pepper. Cause you know people want it hot, really hot. Okay. Lemon.
I'm watching
Yeah. Alright. So I put a lemon juice in it. Trust me people, we don't know what we're doing. We just trying something. We do this all the time when we do something new. Let me see you ready, so I'll put that right there. That's her. What have we got? We're gonna put it in the blender. And we could put a couple of all-purpose in it.
Okay, we should do that.
We should do that?
Yeah.
In Jamaica, we call it pimento. This good enough?
Yeah, good.
That's what we're gonna put in it. Okay. Alright. So you get the pimento taste.
Do you think it's gonna turn out good?
I think so. What do you think?
Yeah.
We never spoiled none yet, right?
No.
Did we?
No.
We didn't spoil none. 1 spoon full browning, Jamaican browning. We got a little ketchup. We got the jerk. We got that all-purpose. And we got that. When it's done, come out to beat. This is get out of the way. So that's what we made. This is all the spice we use, and we put this in it. That was our spice. Come out to beat this. So we good. All right. Yeah, that's it. Love put my Scotch bonnet pepper in it also. Yeah, get it going. Yeah, this is what I look like when you're done. So I'm going to just throw it on. I'm going to say I don't know if I make a video. This onion, garlic, and something like this. You see me? Yeah, and I'll put my spice and thing. So give me a few. Yeah, so done now. Then I put everything in there, you know. All the little paprika I put in there. Give us a nice flavor. And you go rub it in, you massage it like you massage a girl. Yeah, man. Massage. And this I'm using one at the moment, one hand. You understand? So I have to pause the video now and then for do what I need to do. So that's what I'm having. See there, I put it so you can understand that's what I'm doing. I just put some jerk sauce on it. You understand? So I'm going to rub it in. Then I'm going to show me rub it in. I'm going to rub it in and show you that after when I finish rub it in. Alright, I'm going to massage you now. You understand what I mean? Just watch. Give me a second. I'm going back to your life. Yeah, so see it there. I'm going to rub it in, you know. So I know that when this marinade, you know, it's nice and soak down to tomorrow. Yeah. But you know what I'm saying? Alright. One more thing missing. I'm going to put on it yet. Is the little browning. Because I'm not going to do it on the grill. I'm going to do it in the oven. So I understand. So I'm going to do it in the oven. You need to get a little bit dark. You understand? Yeah, so I'm going to tip some browning on it. So yeah, I'm going to pause this for a minute again. Because I'm recording while I'm massaging the pork. See that? You know, some people are doing every pimento all over it. When I want to pimento, you can't put too much of jerk seasoning in it either. Because at the end of the day, when you put too much of jerk seasoning, it goes salty. With the salt, with the seasoning what you put in there to make this thing marinate. And you know what, the pimento all over there. You know, some people do they eat it and then pure big pimento. You can go stop and go. You know, people don't know about stop and go, you know. Saltfish and in a dumpling, in a fritters. That then call stop and go. Cause then say when you eat the stop and go, first thing you do, you start eating. And you eat the dumpling and say, what is this? Something stop you. So that then call it stop and go. But hold on. Let me go put on the brown and touch you back in a minute. Yeah. Just for where you know you won't get this in a no restaurant. Cause this take time. You understand? Yeah. And me I do this with love. Yeah, see it there? That when the browning go on pan, like you can eat her then already yet. But so imagine, rub out liquor make it look decent. See it there, soak on it by tomorrow, you soak down to the bone. And I bite off all the bone and I say, Rock, can I have all of this? Remember that. My sister said she want it because I don't know. Yeah. I can't put too much brown in because you know I want some look insipid, you see me? I know so when you go in the oven now you just go do it. Just go do your thing. Yeah, see it there? Up and going. Can't complain. Yeah. Yeah, can't complain. So we are do it, you know? Inside, not outside. Yeah. So you see it there. Try make everything soak in. So imagine if me have the grill I know, you know, so this is that nice. Yeah man, that nice I know. Remember me telling. We drop on the grill. Born to killer tomorrow afternoon. Alright, so that's it for now. I'm seeing you tomorrow. One put in the oven, make it go and marinate. Yeah, up and going in the oven. Put it in the fridge, make it go and cool down, you know? Yeah, hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's what it look like. What my jerk look like. Look nice and soft, right? Mm-hmm. Take out some of the oil.
That's what it looks like.
Guys, there you go, your jerk chicken, your jerk pork. That's your jerk pork. Put it down there and make it get ready to dry up a little bit.
What it looks like when it's all done.
Now we gotta go cut it up cause I'm gonna go to the street. My boys, they need me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. You call it jerk pork. I wonder if I could put the spice in it for them. Or just try it the same way.
Put the spice.
The spice on it.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's a bone.
That's the bone. You gonna bag it out? Put it in the file paper.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.